If you've ever sent money on Cash App by mistake or simply need it back, today's video is going to save you a lot of stress. I'm going to walk you step by step through how to request and process a refund on Cash App. So stick around until the end so you don't miss an important detail. First, open the Cash App on your iPhone or Android device and head to the Activity tab. That's the clock icon on the top right corner. This tab shows your entire payment history. Scroll through and find the payment you want to cancel or get refunded. Once you select that payment, a new window will pop up with all the details: the sender, amount, and time. In the top right corner, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on those. This opens up a menu of options for that payment. From here, tap on Refund. Cash App will ask you to confirm, so click OK to finalize. This sends the money straight back to the original sender's account. You'll get a notification confirming that your refund request was successful. Now, here's an important tip. Cash App only allows refunds if the payment is still pending or if the recipient agrees to send it back. If the payment has already been completed and the other person doesn't approve the refund, you may need to contact Cash App support directly and explain the situation. And that's it. Your money should be on its way back. Before you go, don't forget to check the description below. I've included some helpful links and guides that will make your Cash App experience even smoother. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy money app guides.